Nominal sentence. الجملة الاسمية. In Arabic, الجملة الاسمية. What is a sentence? Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. Muhammad is a student. Hamid is sick. The co-ingredient of any sentence are a subject and a predicate. The subject names a person, a place, or a thing we are talking about. The predicate makes a statement about the subject. In other words, the predicate is a part of sentence which expresses what is said about the subject. In the above two sentences, Muhammad and Hamid are subjects, and is a student and is sick are predicates. In Arabic language, there are two kinds of sentence. The one which begins with a noun, ism. In Arabic, ism is called nominal sentence, الجملة الاسمية. And the one which begins with a verb, فعل. Verb in Arabic, فعل is called verbal sentence. We shall discuss here only the nominal sentence. A simple nominal sentence is of this form. زيد عالم. زيد عالم. Zaid is learned. فاطمة عالمة. Fatima is learned. الولد ذكي. The boy is intelligent. الولد ذكي. ذكي. البنت جميلة. البنت جميلة. The girl is beautiful. Just like in English, a nominal sentence in Arabic has two parts, subject المبتدأ, subject المبتدأ, and predicate الخبر. الخبر. The noun with which the nominal sentence begins is called مبتدأ, subject, and the other part which says something about it is called خبر, predicate. Usually, the subject of a nominal sentence is a definite noun, either a proper noun like Zaid and Fatima, a noun with the definite article like al-waladu and al-bintu, or a pronoun. The predicate is usually indefinite and agree in gender with the subject. Both the subject and the predicate are marfu', that is, it will have one ضمة or تنوين. تنوين يعني double ضمة.